Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
They were in the front of the altar, getting married, when someone appeared in the church right behind them. The guests beckoned him to leave, but when the bride looked back, she thought she could not see well. What happened to him that day would not be forgotten for the rest of his life. If any of you has reasons why these two should not be married, speak now or forever hold your peace. This is what the minister said right before he declares you both man and wife. Usually nobody has to say anything. Sometimes it happens that an angry aunt of the ex might crash the wedding, but not very often. How often can it happen that a dog crashes a wedding? Take a guess. While you're still guessing, let us tell you a little story. Marilia and Mateus Pieroni are two beautiful people who are getting married in a tent in Sao Paulo. There was quite a storm outside, and a stray dog found its shelter right down the aisle to the bridal chorus. He was kicked out in the first instance, but in the middle of the ceremony, he entered again and laid down to sleep on the bride's veil right when she was saying her vows. Instead of getting kicked out again, the dog was welcomed as an official guest at the wedding. It was a very pleasant surprise for me because I love animals, said Marilla. The dog disappeared afterwards, but the newlyweds didn't give up and began their city-wide search, determined to find him and make him their own. After more than a week of intense searching, they found him. They named him Snoop, and he is now part of their new family. It seems like fate favors the canine wedding crashers. Check out the pictures below to see how cute they look together. As it so happened in many weddings, it was rainy outside, so they moved their ceremony inside. Everything went along great, and just when the couple was getting ready to share their vows, a stray dog casually walked inside, down the aisle, and laid down on the bride's veil. Most brides would just lose it if something like this happened on their wedding day. But Marilla loves animals, so she just started laughing, and obviously the stray dog who just wanted shelter from the rain was allowed to stay. After the ceremony, the couple thought about the strange event and decided it's a sign they should adopt the dog, but no one was able to find him. It took more than a week of searching all over the city, but finally the newlyweds got some good news. The dog was found, and from an unexpected guest to their wedding, he became part of the family. The couple appropriately named the dog Snoop. Marilla said that Snoop was very happy in his new home, and he slept amazing the first night. Look at that face. That's the face of happiness. Sometimes life brings you unexpected events that change your life. On that day, Snoop found the perfect place to nap and a forever home. So, for all of you wedding crashers out there, you will never ever reach Snoop's wedding crashing level. You might as well give up now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.